Wbcom Services, the Settings Tour. Settings is split into tabs, and only a few of them matter before you launch. General sets price decimals, the smallest and largest order a buyer can place, and your platform name. It is also where you choose standalone checkout or hand it to an e-commerce platform. Pages maps each marketplace screen to the page that renders it. Commission is where your revenue is decided, as a percentage of every order. Tips have their own rate, and setting it to zero hands vendors every penny of a tip. Orders controls autocomplete days, the dispute window, and the requirements timeout. Dispute settings set the response window, the reminders, and when a case escalates to you. Vendors decides who can register, how many services they get, and whether listings need approval. Payouts holds the minimum withdrawal, the clearance period, and automatic withdrawals. Emails gives you a switch for every notification the marketplace sends. Advanced covers audit log retention, upload limits, and debug logging. Configured once, runs itself after.